Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can use pivot table styles to apply preset formatting to your pivot tables in Excel. To do this, just select any cell within your pivot table. Then click on the desired style that you want to apply in the listing of pivot table styles shown within the Pivot Table Styles button group on the Design tab of the Pivot Table Tools Contextual tab within the ribbon. You can modify the settings of the preset pivot table styles by checking the desired checkboxes that appear within the Pivot Table Style Options group on the Design tab of the Pivot Table Tools Contextual tab within the ribbon. Doing this will allow you to select the areas within the pivot table to which to apply special formatting. You can select to apply special formatting to the row headers and column headers by checking those checkboxes. You can also apply banding to the rows or columns within the pivot table by checking the banded rows or banded columns checkboxes. You can also easily change the summarization and layout of a pivot table by using the buttons shown within the Layout button group on the Design tab of the Pivot Table Tools Contextual tab within the ribbon. You can click the Subtotals button to choose a layout for subtotals within a selected pivot table from the drop-down menu that appears. You can also click the Grand Totals button to choose the display of grand totals within a selected pivot table from the drop-down menu that appears. You can click the Report Layout drop-down button to choose a desired layout for your selected pivot table from the menu of choices shown. Finally, you can click the Blank Rows drop-down button to choose the display of blank rows within a selected pivot table from the menu of choices that appears.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.